Hello students, today we will do adaptation in desert animals, that is camel. Desert animals, you know, those who are adapted in desert. They help them to live in extremely hot weather and scarcity of water. The rats and snakes in the desert make deep burrows which offer a cool and moist shelter during daytime when the desert is too hot and dry. They come out at night to look for food. These are called nocturnal animals. Desert animals adapt their bodies to prevent loss of water by perspiration. The camel is a desert animal. It is well adapted to living in a desert. It can cover 100 kilometers in a day and can go without food and water up to 10 days at a stretch. If needed, it can run a special speed of 20 to 25 kilometers per hour. That is why it is often called the sheep of the desert. Sometimes this question comes, why it is called sheep of the desert. A camel can drink a very large quantity of water at a time, which gets distributed all over the body in the tissues. It sweats very little. This helps to conserve water. It excretes very little water in the form of urine. Their feces also contains very little water. Its breathing rhythm is very slow, therefore it loses very little amount of water while breathing. It has a hump on its back in which food is stored and the form of fat. It can utilize its stored food and can live without food for 10 days at a stretch. A camel uses its entire foot while walking on the sand. Its large fleshy soles help it to move on the hot and slippery sand. A camel's slender snout bears a cleft upper lip. Long eyelashes and muscular nostrils can be closed for protection from wind-blown sand. Next is adaptation in mountain animals, that is mountain goat. Their adaptations are their body is covered with a thick skin or fur to protect them from the cold. They also have a thick layer of fat under the skin for insulation and protection from cold. Mountain goats have strong hooves that help them to climb the rocky slopes of mountains. They have a small ears, noses to reduce heat loss from the body. This is a mountain goat. The last part is aerial animals. Their body is streamlined. This shape provides little resistance during flight. Four limbs are modified into wings and hind limbs are shifted forward to balance their body weight. Flight muscles are present to provide additional strength during flight. All birds have a light body as the bones are hollow and have air cavities. Their bones do not have bone marrow. Lungs are provided with balloon-like air sacs. They increase the breathing efficiency of lungs and make the body lighter. So the chapter is finished. Thank you.